Hi sir, good morning. So I'm Adrian G. Kindao. I'm taking a video to answer the questions that you have given, sir. So the first question is, what are the types of clouds and precipitation? So among the different types of clouds, three are responsible for most precipitation that falls to Earth. The first is the stratus, second is the cumulus, and the third is nimbus. So what is stratus clouds? Stratus clouds are the clouds that produce a hazy gray veil with a uniform base throughout the sky. They do not usually produce precipitation, though drizzle or snow grains are possible with stratus cloud. One particular stratus cloud that affects transportation is fog. So the next is cumulus clouds. Mostly, cumulus indicates fair weather, often popping up on the bright sunny days, though if conditions allow, cumulus can grow into towering cumulus congestus or cumulonimbus clouds, which can produce showers. And lastly is the nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud is another word associated with clouds. Adding nimbus means precipitation is falling from the cloud. So these clouds are capable of producing both rain and snow, often by combining with another in hybrid formations, while some are almost exclusively associated with specific weather events such as thunderstorms. The types of precipitation that falls from clouds is ultimately dependent upon temperature, humidity, and air pressure. All clouds are made of moisture, and regardless of the types of clouds, thousands of tiny water droplets must condense around the microscopic particles of dust or smoke in order to gain enough density and fall as precipitation. If atmospheric temperature near the Earth's surface are at below freezing, this precipitation falls as snow. Alternatively, a phenomenon known as a Bergeron-Findieism process causes ice crystals to actually form with the cloud itself, which then melt and fall as rain the closer they get to the Earth's surface. Number 2. Structure of depressions. Prognostic chart is a map displaying the likely weather forecast for a future time. Such charts generated by atmospheric models as output from numerical weather prediction and contain a variety of information such as temperature, wind, precipitation, and weather fonts. They can also indicate derived atmospheric fields such as vorticity, stability indices, or frontogenesis. Forecast errors need to be taken into account and can be determined either via absolute error or by considering persistence and absolute error combined. Number 3. Anticyclone and other pressure system. Cyclone is characterized by inward circulation of air masses about a low pressure center, accompanied by stormy destructive weather, counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Anticyclone, clockwise in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere, also known as high. Weather in intercyclones varies from place to place, and weather in cold anticyclones, also known as continental highs in Siberia and northwest Canada in winter and cold air. Subtropical anticyclones, stable atmospheric conditions, and thus fine, hot, dry weather, and the strongest at 32 degrees and north and south. Weather mid-latitude anticyclones located beneath leading edges of ridges in the upper air westerlies. The underway is usually fine. Winter anticyclones may bring cold, frosty weather or fog. And that would be all. Thank you.